Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to quickly show you how you can use your Canon 800D as a webcam to stream on Twitch or to record your YouTube videos. This is how you do it. Hey guys, so the first thing you're going to do is head over to Canon Webcam Utility. I will make sure to put a link in the description below. Once you're here, you're going to make your way down and choose your operating system. Right now I think they only have it available for Windows. Now at first I didn't use this because I was like, it doesn't support my camera, but I didn't realize that the Canon 800D is technically the same as the EOS 800D. So let's click on the EOS 800D and then it'll take you to this here, and then you can just click over here by the EOS Webcam Utility 11 window. So just select that thing over there, that pop up, I'm just gonna get rid of it, and then just click download over here. So what's going to happen is it is going to download as a zip folder, so make sure that you have WinRAR or whatever unzipping program you prefer. So then what I do is I just right click on it and I say extract here. It's going to then just plonk everything over here, and then you just double click on the setup, run it. As you can see, I already have it installed, so if I click next, it's just going to offer me the repair mode. But once it's installed, it is literally donezo's. Then what you're going to do is you're going to let me just close that. Also, what you're going to do is you're going to attach your DSLR camera to your computer. So you're just going to use a USB cable, so you don't need a cam link, you don't need an HDMI cable. You're just simply connecting it to your USB 3 port. Open up your Streamlabs, and it might just look like a bit of an inception here because I'm going to show you how to add it. I'm currently using Streamlabs OBS, so you'll come here, click the add new source, and then you're going to choose video capture device. Then just say add source. I'm going to call this Canon. As you can see, I've already installed it. Then just say let's just go with add a new source. Let's call this Canon EOS 800D. Let's add the source, and then in here we are going to click on the EOS Webcam Utility, and let's just click update. There we go, there I am. It's your boy. It is your boy. Let me just transform here and say fit to screen. It's me. Check at this. I can turn it in. And just another pro tip here is you're going to want to get a dummy battery so that your battery doesn't run out while you're streaming or while you're recording. I'll make sure to link one that you can get off Amazon, which will just be easy to use. Wow, I have brown eyes. And that's my chair in the background with my fan. Sorry guys, room is not tidy at all. Let me just bring this over here. As you can see, it is excellent quality. Just put it to the screen. You can go into more settings where you can configure aperture, shutter speed, however much you want. Get your lights done, and yeah, this is it. Actually, I want to show you guys something. You guys, you're not allowed to laugh. There's my actual chair. Here is the chair. Wait, that I'm sitting on like a little mini chair. It's like this little tiny chair. It is the struggles of every YouTuber, especially as a beginner that doesn't have dedicated workspace. But so yeah guys, hope this video added value to you. I hope that it helped you. If it did, make sure to smash that like button, hit that subscribe, let me know in the comments below what camera you use, and I'll see you guys in the next video.